So we have a 2004 F-150 5.3 Triton V8 engine, and it doesn't have any power. It idles on its own, but it's really rough. Hopefully it has enough power to make it over to my buddy's shop. He has diagnosed it, and he's going to help us fix it. Yeah, I'm not hopeful for this. So I can rev it up in neutral. Neutral drop it to get it going. And then right away, no more power. If it's floored right now. If I go about half throttle, it starts backfiring. Uh-oh, come on. Come on, baby. So we've got a hill coming up. I'm really hoping to get a run at it. This thing may not make it up it. We have two hills to get up. This one and one more like it. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. We're almost to the top. We made it. We made that hill. Alright, coming up on hill number 2. Here we go. Get around this other side. Thank you, God. Alright, so we'll catch you at the shop as long as nothing happens between now and then.
Looks like it's doing pretty decent right there.
Alright, so what is wrong with this truck?
Hopefully, it is a variable valve solenoid.
And how did you come to that conclusion?
Well, with the way the truck is running right now, it's not picking up on every cylinder to open up the valve where it needs to be at.
Okay, and you diagnosed that with a computer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This is my friend Johnny. He's the shop teacher at our local high school, and he actually teaches my son. So I'm lucky enough to have him, and he helps us with a lot of stuff.
Way in there.
So what are you guys doing right now?
Popping the seal out.
Seal on what?
Valve cover. Where the solenoid's located. It is the easiest way to do this without having to tear the whole valve cover off. So we go put this back there. It's going to go in there like that. You're going to take that screwdriver and right here underneath this lip, you're going to get it in there, and you're just going to try to pop that seal out. And you may have to tap on the screwdriver to bend the seal a little bit. You're just going to try not to tear up the valve cover.
So there's two seals you have to knock out, right?
Just one.
Just one on each side?
Yep.
So if you couldn't get those seals, what would you have had to do?
I had to pull the valve cover.
Take the valve covers off? So this saves a lot of time.
It does.
By just going through those seals.
Yeah.
Makes perfect sense. There it is.
That right there, hopefully, is the culprit. Oil pressure sends it to the solenoid, opens it up and makes it open and close, makes the timing adjust, make everything run like it's supposed to.
So they're putting that new solenoid in right now. Took about, I'd say 5 minutes, between 5 and 10 minutes to do one side.
Where it lines up. problem.
Oh,
You see
can't
the
get that
problem?
hole over there.
So could you use a socket to drive that seal in?
If I have one big enough.
So he's got to remove the power steering pump reservoir. That's 3 bolts. He'll move that out of the way, and then he can get to the seal, take the seal out, remove the solenoid, put a new solenoid in, a new seal, and it should be fixed. So you used a computer to diagnose this, but you also could kind of tell based on the way it was running that the timing or something was off, right?
It just wasn't advancing like it was supposed to. Yep, see this is saying intake camshaft position, timing over retarded bank 2. So that right there is those solenoids where it's overly retarded, over retarded, so it's slower on one side than it is on the other.
Yeah.
And it's got some other ones, but a lot of this will probably go away once everything's working like it's supposed to. I'm just gonna clear it out.
So when you go, like that computer is more advanced than the one at the part shop. So this is more specific than theirs.
Yes. I can get in farther and do a little bit more diagnostics with it.
Yeah, because they gave me a list of a bunch of stuff that could be. Yeah, it's smoother already. You can tell it's smoother. So you said those solenoids can either get gunked up.
They'll get plugged up from just oil sludge.
Uh-huh.
Main thing is keep on oil changes.